Have you ever felt like no matter how much money you make, it's never enough? Like you're trapped in a game where the rules are designed to keep you running, but never truly winning. What if I told you that's not an accident? The way you've been taught to think about money, success, and abundance isn't just flawed, it's an illusion. And once you see the truth, you can finally break free. What if everything you believe about money, the way it works, how you earn it, how you spend it, is actually a story that's been told to you and you've accepted it as fact? Stay with me because what I'm about to share will change everything you believe about wealth, and it just might change your life. Expanding on the money game, the illusion we live in. For centuries, we've been told a story about money, that it's scarce, that we have to earn it through struggle, that some people are just naturally better at making money than others. We've been programmed to believe that money is the ultimate measure of success, that financial security equals happiness. But let's be honest. If that were true, why are so many people who have it all still deeply unhappy? Why do we see millionaires who are depressed, anxious, and even going bankrupt? Why do we see so many people chase more and more only to feel emptier than before? Because the money game was never designed for you to win. Let me say that again. Because the money game was never designed for you to win. Think about it. In every game, there's a clear way to win. But in the game of money, is there ever a point where you can really say, I've won? No, because the system is built on a lie, the illusion of scarcity. The truth is, money isn't real in the way you think it is. It's a construct, a set of rules we all agreed to play by. But here's the key. You don't have to keep playing by those rules. Most people don't realize that they're participating in a game they didn't even agree to play. They were just born into it, and no one ever told them there was another way. But once you recognize the game for what it is, you gain something incredibly powerful: choice. You can continue running on the same hamster wheel, chasing money, feeling stressed about bills, and worrying about your financial future. Or you can step outside the game. You can create your own rules. And when you do that, something extraordinary happens. The turning point, a new way of thinking. Hello, I'm Bob Rancliffe, life transformation coach. If you're here, it's probably because you know deep down that life is meant to be more joyful, more abundant, more purposeful. Yet so many people feel stuck in cycles of fear, doubt, and uncertainty, wondering if they're on the right path. What if I told you that transformation isn't just about reading another book, trying another course, or meditating your way through challenges? True transformation rewires the way you think, feel, and live every single day, creating a future filled with clarity, confidence, and direction. If that resonates with you and you're ready to take the next step, the details are in the description. This isn't just about improving your life, it's about transforming it. The 3 lies that keep you stuck in the money game. Let's break this down further. There are 3 core lies that keep you trapped in the money game. Lie number 1, money is scarce. We've been taught from a young age that money is limited, that there's only so much to go around. That's why phrases like money doesn't grow on trees or you have to save for a rainy day are so deeply embedded in our culture. But let me ask you this. Where does money actually come from? It's printed. It's digital. It's created out of thin air by governments and banks. Yet we're still told we must fight for it. The truth? Money is not scarce. Your access to it is controlled. Let me say that again. Your access to it is controlled. And when you believe in that scarcity, you make choices based on fear, not possibility. Lie number 2, you have to work hard for money. How many times have you heard, if you work hard, you'll be successful? Yet we see countless examples of people working multiple jobs, grinding day and night, and they're still struggling. Meanwhile, others seem to have wealth flow to them effortlessly. Hard work doesn't guarantee wealth. The truth? Money flows where value is created, not necessarily where the effort is spent. That's why some people make millions solving simple problems while others work 80-hour weeks and barely scrape by. Life is not about working harder, it's about working smarter and shifting your perspective on how money actually works. Lie number 3, money equals security. Most people believe that if they have more money, they'll feel safe. But how often do you see people with millions of dollars still living in fear? They fear losing it. They fear taxes, lawsuits, recessions, bad investments. The truth, money alone doesn't bring security. Security comes from knowing you are the creator of wealth, not the owner of it. When you stop seeing money as something you need to protect and start seeing it as something you attract, you stop living in fear. You start living in abundance. How to break free, the new rules of wealth. So how do you break free? It starts with recognizing that the money game exists in the first place. Step 1, question your money beliefs. Ask yourself, who decided that money has to be earned through struggle? Why do we believe in financial limits when new sources of wealth are constantly being created? Step number 2, understand that money is energy. Your relationship with money is a reflection of your internal beliefs. If you see money as something that's hard to get, you'll experience lack. If you see it as something that flows naturally, it will start to appear in unexpected ways. Step 3, shift from scarcity to abundance. The wealthiest people aren't the ones who hoard money. They're the ones who create value effortlessly. The key is to stop chasing money and start attracting it. This shift in perspective isn't just theory, it's the foundation of financial and personal freedom. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you're ready to take the next step toward creating a life that's happy, healthy, and abundant, details are in the description. Your transformation begins with one decision. Make it today. Before you go, let me leave you with this. Imagine waking up tomorrow knowing that money is no longer a source of stress or limitation for you. That wealth is no longer something you chase, but something you naturally receive. That your entire life is filled with abundance, not because you worked harder, but because you finally saw the truth about the game. The future is possible, and it all starts with a single choice. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.